Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto Venta. Today we're diving into something wild, rugged, and undeniably exciting, the 2025 Jeep Wrangler Crazy. That's right, Jeep has pushed the boundaries once again, and this latest iteration is turning heads with bold upgrades, killer performance, and some seriously cool features you won't want to miss. Let's kick things off with the design. The 2025 Wrangler Crazy takes the classic Wrangler DNA and cranks it up several notches. The exterior still has that iconic boxy frame, but now it's enhanced with an aggressive new front grille, LED laser-cut headlights, and a higher, more muscular stance. The fenders are flared out just enough to accommodate massive off-road tires, and the Crazy exclusive matte color options like Desert Sandstorm and Toxic Green give it a personality that stands out anywhere, from downtown streets to desert trails. Jeep also added a detachable roof panel system that allows for even easier open-air driving. No tools, no fuss, just pop them off and go. Under the hood, performance is where the 2025 Wrangler Crazy earns its name. It packs a beastly 6.4-liter Hemi V8 engine that delivers over 500 horsepower, giving it unmatched torque and acceleration for an SUV of its class. Whether you're rock crawling in Moab or cruising on the highway, this Jeep doesn't hesitate. It's mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission with paddle shifters, so you get the control when you need it. The suspension has been upgraded with adaptive terrain response tech that automatically adjusts damping and traction depending on the surface. That means whether you're on snow, sand, or slick mud, the Wrangler Crazy stays planted and confident. Inside, things get surprisingly upscale. The Wrangler Crazy balances ruggedness with luxury, offering marine-grade leather seats with contrast stitching, heated everything, front seats, rear seats, and even the steering wheel, plus a redesigned dash with digital instrumentation. The 12.3-inch touchscreen supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and comes integrated with Jeep's latest trail mapping system. You can literally chart your own course, download trail data, and share routes with fellow off-roaders, all from your console. One standout feature is the new Auto Climb system. It's an intelligent crawl mode that uses real-time GPS, camera, and terrain data to adjust throttle and brake input during tricky ascents and descents. Think of it as cruise control for off-roading. Also new for 2025 is the upgraded waterproof audio system with subwoofers embedded in the roll cage. So yes, you can take the top off, blast your playlist, and not worry about a little rain ruining the vibe. Another fun addition is the Adventure Pack, an optional extra that includes a portable drone dock, camp lighting kit, and integrated air compressor built right into the cargo area. Perfect for inflating tires or gear on the go. It's those small but clever details that make the Wrangler Crazy live up to its name. Thanks for watching, and if you like this look at the 2025 Jeep Wrangler Crazy, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more automotive deep dives, and drop a comment letting us know what you think about Jeep's boldest Wrangler yet. Catch you in the next one.